Well, this is quite embarrassing. Okay. Goodbye, bub. Love you, bud. Be good. Well, you already know. Had to get some gas. Oh man, what a gorgeous day today is. Alright, good afternoon everyone. We're just gonna stick with good afternoon. So somewhere I really wanted to go just before I start today's video, just out of curiosity really. So today is Black Friday, so you already know the wolves are out. So I actually want to go see how the outlets look. Yep, they are mobbed. Holy shit. Everyone's out and about today, boy. Look at this. Let's give him a little squeal. This looks like New York City, like when the lights turn green and you cross the streets, when all the people are like kind of crossing. That's how New York City looks. Wow, insane. So I'm actually taking you guys on a couple little errands that I gotta run before I actually get to ride out. Okay, I'm gonna go inside and pay my rent real quick. And I have one more errand to run.
12 seconds later.
Well, they were closed, so I can't pay rent. My second errand, thankfully, is literally a walk away. Gotta send out my toll violation. Good old California. $76. Take all my money. Oh. Alright. So it is extremely windy today. Well, not extremely windy, but it's windy enough to be blowing me all over the road. So I'm gonna skip all of this traffic that I had to bless you with. I'm gonna pick this video up when I'm actually, I don't know, off this damn highway. First and foremost, it is 50 degrees out, and I know for some of you guys watching, if you're in a very cold state, 50 degrees is gonna feel warm to you. For us that are privileged in California, 50 degrees to me personally, it's cold. Secondly, I have no idea where I'm going, so I'm kind of just riding around. I'm not really going to explore today. I got out a little bit late. I had a bunch of stuff I was trying to take care of, but I wanted to get out on a bike because all of next week and next weekend, and I think the week after, like, it's supposed to just be god awful. It's supposed to be raining for like almost 2 weeks straight. That leaves me with absolutely no riding. So we're gonna try our hardest to stay away from those clouds right there. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but you can see the actual rain coming down. Gotta warm my hands up. Does anybody else do this? Put their hands on their engine to warm them up? These people are like really cutting it close to me, like. Holy shit, man. Like, you people like go wide. Unbelievable, man. Like, look at this. Like, alright, this is not where I want to be. There is something I want to bring up real quick, and that is what is going on with the stunt bike. I purchased the longest bolt they had in the size I needed, or sort of the size I needed. The longest bolt, that bitch was like almost, I think it was about 6 inches, and it still didn't make it through the cage, the mount, and then the engine mount, the frame mount, and then the engine mount. It didn't make it through any of them. But my cage that I have on the bike, it's a shitty cage. I just think it's the way it was made. I don't know if it was homemade or he had someone fab something up for him. I have no idea. So whatever, it is what it is. This bike is strictly just for me to practice on, so I just need something to protect the motor so I don't destroy the motor. I'd rather destroy this one and then just get rid of it for cheap. warm up my hand again. That random toilet right there. So, going back to the whole stunt thing, it just sucks because I don't have time for anything. That's actually one of the reasons why I'm looking at transferring to reserves. Pretty much allow me to do what I want to do, which is this. I want to ride for like full time, except for when it's cold. Even when I'm at work, that's all I think about, like just riding. I just want to hop on a bike and ride somewhere. And here I am doing administrative tasks, and that's not me. That's not what I want to do. My parents used to own one of them. Yeah, Ford Aerostar. I think it was a tank. Well, this was stupid. Whose idea was it to come up here? Yeah, no. Nope. Why'd you guys let me come up here? You guys are supposed to stop me from coming up here. You think the wealthier areas make their roads terrible on purpose so people don't drive down them? Because like if you're like a criminal or something, you go down that road, you're just like, you know, screw this. I'm not driving up these terrible roads. I think I was here before. Awesome, perfect. Nah, fine. This is where I want to go. Yeah, this is exactly where I want to go. And all over this road is like runoff, like dirt, debris, leaves, and got himself a stick. Whoa, Brian O'Connor, slow down, slow down. Oh God, am I going up another terrible road again? Golly, oh shit. Oh shit. I was gonna let him through. Oh my God, this is definitely not the area that I want to be in. I'm lost.
Hi.
Hello. I'm lost. I saw a mountain and I was driving towards it and ended up on this road.
Okay, well, I want to go back down here.
Okay.
Okay, and then stay the low road. And then you'll kind of meander.
Awesome. Thank you so much. We're in business, people. Now let's see how lost I can get. Oh God. Oh. These are not roads that you want to be on. I don't even know if I made the correct right. Oh wow. Oh, this is gonna suck. Ah, come on, baby. Come on, legs. I don't know if I'm supposed to continue to go up this way. This is like total and utter concentration right here. business now, and the views are phenomenal. I'm kind of just going really slow through these turns. Again, like I know I'm like a broken record, but I don't know these roads. And like I said, look, you have all this debris and shit. There was like rocks and shit just there. I'd rather just go a little bit slower, not really go hard on these turns. You know what I mean? Blind turn, no sign, no warning you, no letting you know like, hey, listen, it's a sharp turn. Me, woo! That scared the hell out of me just now. Oh, can't see shit. Oh man, can't see anything. Oh my god. Oh yeah, we're catching a picture right here, boy. You see everything right now. I think this dude's getting head over here too. Damn, you can see everything. It is so clear today too. It's cloudy and still yet you can still see everything. Alright, so I'm going to turn around because the roads are getting worse. There's more and more gravel and my hands are cold, and this damn visor keeps fogging up. So I'm probably going to turn around right now after I warm my hands up. I'm probably going to head home. Running out of daylight, and I really don't want to get caught where I just came through in the dark. But man, I need to grab a picture over here. So I apologize for all the wind coming in here right now, but I'm riding with my visor open again. I kind of have to. So I'm not really going to talk. Just going to give you these views. What I said earlier about the rain, I'm not going to be riding that much. I am looking for another project, of course. I love projects, so I'm not going to say what it is. I have an idea of what I'm going to be doing, because I don't even know if it's going to happen. I'm trying to make it happen, but I don't know if it's going to happen right away. Could take a little bit. So it should be a fun project. I want to document the whole thing, so I'm going to start like an entire build series on it. I have contacted a few people about specific vehicles that I'm looking for. Just waiting on replies, really, to be honest with you. Oh, we are losing daylight fast, people. crazy. So this is where I'm going to go ahead and end today's video. I hope you guys stuck around for the end. Not because there's going to be something crazy at the end, but just because it helps me more. Today was more of a spur-of-the-moment ride, so I didn't really have any real destination. Regardless, I still want to say thank you so much for watching. If you guys aren't already do so, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You already know the rest. Like, comment, follow my Instagram. I need y'all to stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated in all of your life's goals. Always remember, nothing good in life ever comes easy. You gotta work your ass off to get it. Your boy Machine here. I'm absolutely freezing, and I will see you guys on the next one. Later. No. No. Well, this sucks. Oh God.